Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by blocking in the form. Draw a tall oval for the body and a smaller circle overlapping at the top for the head. Use a vertical center line to keep the penguin balanced and a horizontal eye line to place facial features correctly. Once done, check proportions. The head should be about 1/3 the height of the body, and soften your pencil pressure so those construction lines are easy to remove as you refine the drawing. Now you refine features. Place a small triangular beak on the eye line, angling it slightly downward to suggest a natural pose. Once that's set, draw teardrop flippers starting near the mid-body and curving outward. This gives the penguin its characteristic stance. Make an inner U-shape for the white belly patch so you can separate color zones later, and add 2 short ovals at the bottom for feet. These simple shapes make later detailing fast and reliable. Finish by erasing the light guidelines and committing to firm outlines where the final shapes sit. Next, apply shading. Darken the back and flippers while keeping the belly area lighter to create strong contrast. Use soft strokes for smooth feathers. Once done, add a small highlight in the eye to bring life, and texture lines sparingly for realism. If proportions feel off, gently adjust the head or feet now. A tiny correction makes a big visual difference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.